In this video we are going to create a rectangle object right on our chart, so let's see how we can create something like this with MQL5.
In this video, we are going to create an expert advisor that draws a rectangle around the highest and lowest points of the last 30 candles on the chart. Let's see how we can do that. First, we start Metaeditor by clicking the little icon or pressing F4. In the OnTick function, we begin by creating variables for the highest and lowest candles. We then create arrays to store the high and low values of these candles. The arrays are sorted in descending order from the current candle. Next, we fill the arrays with data for the last 30 candles using the CopyHigh and CopyLow functions. These functions take the symbol, period, starting position, and the number of candles to copy as parameters. We then calculate the highest and lowest candles using the ArrayMaximum and ArrayMinimum functions, which determine the maximum and minimum values in the respective arrays over the specified range. To store price information, we create an array of MQL rate structures and sort it from the current candle to the oldest candle. The copyRates function is used to copy the price data into this array, taking the symbol, period, starting position, and the number of bars as parameters. Before drawing the new rectangle, we delete any existing rectangle object on the chart using Object Delete. We then create a new rectangle object with Object Create. This function takes several parameters: the current chart symbol, the object name, rectangle, the object type, obj rectangle, the window number, 0 for the main window, and the coordinates for the rectangle's borders. The left border is set to the time of the 30th candle, the upper border to the high of the highest candle, the right border to the time of the current candle, and the lower border to the low of the lowest candle. Finally, we set the color of the rectangle's lines and background to blue using ObjectSetInteger. To compile the code, we press F7. If this was too fast for you, or if you don't understand what all the code is doing, you might want to check out the premium course on our website or watch one of the basic videos first. If the compilation is successful, we go back to Metaeditor by pressing F4 or clicking on the icon. Back in Metaeditor, we press Ctrl and R to start the strategy tester, pick the expert advisor that we have just created, enable the visual mode, and start a strategy test. We should then see the expert advisor drawing the rectangle on the chart. If you are already a premium course member and have an idea for a video like this one, you can send us an email. In this video, we have learned how to create an expert advisor that draws a rectangle around the highest and lowest points of the last 30 candles with a few lines of MQL code. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.
Okay, I hope you can see the rectangle on your chart. If you have no idea what the code is doing, maybe the premium course might be interesting for you. You can find it on our website. For now I say thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.